Hello friends, my name is Suraj and you're watching Tech. And today we are going to talk about what are the most common hacked passwords, and the people usually keep those kind of passwords because they are easy to remember. But there's a fact that those are the most common password which are being hacked, and your and your money is being debited from your credit card and etc. So let's just start the video. And guys, there's a latest research by NCSC, that is National Center for Cybersecurity of the United Kingdom. They said that according to the research, 42% of the people don't actually know that what should be the password and how they can prepare themselves from the cybersecurity theft. So, what exactly is cybersecurity theft? You are keeping your bank passwords for the online transaction very low. That is, for example, if you're keeping a password like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, of course, the bank is not allowing that, but there's an alternative for the password which you usually keep. For example, your name is Suraj, okay, and you keep the password like Suraj at the rate 123 with capital S. Guys, these are the most common passwords which people usually keep. So today we will talk about what exactly are those passwords which are very common and usually the people keep. So the first one is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This is the most common password which usually the people keep. The second is 111111 times. Guys, this is also the most common password. Now there's one more password, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. This is also one of the most common password, and there's one more which you all already know, that is password is password. I don't understand why people keep the password as password. Guys, it is the most common thing a people can think. Sorry, a person can think. The first attempt any hacker make is typing their password as password, and that is the most what do you say, insecure part of the password, because you keep a password as password and normally every people can track about it. So never keep your password as password. Now there's one more thing, guys. You keep your password according to the football teams which you like. For example, Arsenal, Barcelona. Then these are the teams. I don't know much about football. And there's another thing, that if you keep passwords according to superhero like Superman, Iron Man, then also you keep password like Pokemon and all. Pokemon is a cartoon show. These are the most common passwords which usually hack and track them. And let's go back to the research that only 15% of the people know how to protect themselves from that theft. That is why try to keep the password like, I'll give some examples of the password. Try to keep your password like, for example, if I'm typing, my password is, let's just take an example, CPU. So, let's take the password as central. So, in the central, I use C, that is capital. Then instead of E, I will use 3. Then for N, then T, R. For A, I'll use at the rate. So, this is how you can keep your password. Try and keep multiple capital letters. Use alphanumeric pattern and also use special characters. These passwords are really hard to decode, so you should try keeping these passwords. And that is all for this video, guys. And if you really like this video, please subscribe and hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.